To add, remove, and rearrange items on the keyboard toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open an app where you can use your Samsung keyboard. As the example, we will open Google Search. Tap the three horizontal dot icon on the far right of the keyboard toolbar. To add an item to the keyboard toolbar, tap the plus icon. Drag the required item at the available button section to add it to the keyboard toolbar. As the example, we will add keyboard size. Tap Done button to save your selection. As you can see, the keyboard size button has been added to the keyboard toolbar. To remove an item from the keyboard toolbar, tap the plus icon. Tap the required item at the top section to remove it from the keyboard toolbar. As the example, we will remove mode. Tap Done button to save the change. As you can see, the mode button has been removed from the keyboard toolbar. Next, to rearrange items on the keyboard toolbar, drag and drop the required item at the keyboard toolbar to change its position. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.